Then find equation of tangent. Equation of tangent, to do equation of tangent, as we have taken before, we have to get value of x1, y1, and the value of m. x1, y1 are point. What is the point? Point is given x pi over 6 and 0. So x1 is pi over 6 and y1 is 0. Now m, how to get m? We get m by differentiation, dy by dx, because m is a gradient. Derivative of 2 sine 6x is 12 cos 6x. Now find m. m equal 12 cosine 6 multiply pi over 6. Now 6 and 6 cancel, so it's 12 cos pi, and the cosine pi is negative 1. So m equal 12 multiply negative 1, which is negative 12. So we got m. Now after we got x1, y1, m, now we can find equation of tangent. Rule of tangent, y minus y1 equal to m times x minus x1. Now replace. Y minus y1 is 0. Value m is negative 12. X minus value x1 is pi over 6. Now multiply, shift. So y equal negative 12 multiply x is negative 12x. Negative 12 multiply negative pi over 6 is positive pi over, positive 2 pi. It's a positive 2 pi. Okay, because 12 multiply over 6, pi over 6, it's 2 pi. This is the equation of tangent. Last point in our lesson today is angle x in degrees. The angle must be in radian. So to do differentiation of trigonometric function, angle should be in radian measure. So angle must be in radian when differentiating a trigonometric function. So if x given in degree, it must be changed to radians. How to change from degree to radian? We multiply it by pi over 180 multiplied by x. So in this case, if you find your question in this form, y equals sine x degree, so this x degree should be changed to radian. So y equal sine x degree equal pi over 180x. So you have to replace it by over 180x. Now start differentiation. Derivative of sine is cosine pi over 180x multiply derivative of angle. Derivative pi over 180x is pi over 180. Now last step, pi over 180 cosine pi over 180x, we can express it again x degree. This is the final answer. Let's do this one, cos x degree. So y equal cosine x degree should be changed to radian. So how to change to radian? Pi over 180x. Now start differentiation. Derivative of cosine is negative sine. Negative sine pi over 180x. And the derivative of pi over 180x is pi over 180. So this is the answer, pi over 180. Last step, you can write it negative pi over 180 sine x degree. Let's take this one, sine pi x degree. So y equal sine pi x degree is 1 pi over 180 x, right? So it will be y equal sine pi times pi over 180, it's pi squared over 180x. Now start differentiation. Derivative of angle is pi squared over 180x, pi squared over 180, and the derivative of sine is cos. In this case, we can write it as pi x degree. degree again. This is final answer. You can do it by your own. Try by yourself. And you can do exercise page 130 and 131 in your student book C3, C4. Thank you. Thank you very much.